Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've kind of got my hair parted. I'm going to show you guys if you can see in the back. So it's basically parted just below my ears, and then here at the sides right now. I've just parted, sectioned it off. I may just put music over it because obviously, this is all new to me, but I have my extensions here. So yeah. These are the extensions that I am using. They are tape hair extensions. They are in the shade 10, 16, 60, 613 mix, as that is what I am. I believe I'm putting 200 grams in, which is quite a lot of tapes. These are the seamless tapes, so you can see the hair at the back. You can't really see, it's not like a sticker, like a white sticker or anything that they used to be. So what I'm planning on doing is doing maybe 2 at the bottom and then going from there. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm just removing the tape, the sticky from the tape. And what you want to do is when you section your hair at the bottom, so the first section will be below the ears, and you want to put in 2 or 3 tapes, depending on kind of the size of your head, the position that you've parted, the thickness that you want. I have put 3 at the bottom because my head could take it, and I want them obviously quite thick. I had a lot of tapes to put in. So once you've put that in, as you can see, then you want to put the other 2 in each side of it and basically build up those layers until you get to the top of the ears, always making sure you're doing a bricklaying effect. Don't be placing them on top of each other like building blocks. Always making sure you're staggering them, because it will give you that fuller look and it won't give you any gaps. So you just want to basically work your way up, taking the layers until you get to the top of the ears, and then we get to the side of the head. I'm just showing you there. So there's the 3 at the bottom, and then you want to make sure you're working your way up then to the top of the ears, making sure you're doing the bricklaying effect, and also making sure you're leaving that 1 inch all around the hairline for when you wear your hair up. When you've put the tapes into the head, I just went to do a quick 3 taps over each tab. It'll make them hot, and then just to give them a squeeze down, because I find that they set better and last longer. sure you're leaving that 1 inch from the front, because obviously when you tie your hair up it needs to cover the tape, but you want to make sure you're parting it in a diagonal line. Diagonal as best you can. As you can see, when you lift the hair up it covers the tape. Your hair naturally falls that way, so when you wear your hair up the tape naturally pulls up with the hair. If you do put it square on, it just means when you wear your hair up the tape will more than likely stick out either side. There's the top 3 I've put in the back. What I will say is I eventually took the middle one out because I found it a little bit much, so I just put 2 at the top of my crown and then 2 on each of the sides. You can put in as many or as little as you want depending on the thickness of your hair. My hair is quite thick, so I would need quite a few at the front. Very long, but what I am going to do is just trim without taking a lot off. So yeah, I'll go and do that now. Just take the tiniest bit off, and yeah, we shall go from there.